Bedside fridge storage solves kitchen traffic and keeps essentials cold within arm reach. For small homes, use slim under-nightstand compact fridges on low casters to maximize portability and allow cleaning access. Choose units with front ventilation so they do not need side clearance, and measure depth, width, and height twice before ordering to avoid tight fits. Consider integrated refrigerated drawers built into bedside cabinetry when remodeling because they provide flush installation, better insulation for efficiency, and custom drawer faces to match decor. Ask your cabinet maker to include a condensate drain and interior rail stops to prevent full extension failures. Sliding cool drawers beneath bench seating work well in entryways or at the foot of a bed, and you should specify soft close hardware and food-grade liners so spills are contained and drawers slide smoothly over time. For apartments or shared walls, prioritize ultra-quiet low-profile units with vibration-damping feet and brushless compressors to prevent nighttime disturbance and protect delicate items like glass bottles. Use drawer organizers sized for medication bottles, cans, and small produce to keep airflow around items and avoid overpacking, which reduces cooling performance. Leave a 2-inch gap around large items for internal circulation. Regularly defrost manual models, clean door seals with warm, soapy water, and monitor internal temperature with a simple thermometer set between 37 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. People often oversize a unit and then cannot open drawers or doors in tight spaces, so measure door swing and clearance and consider a pull-out on casters instead. A second common issue is poor ventilation causing overheating and rapid wear. Avoid units that require rear clearance in enclosed cabinetry unless you add a ventilated toe kick or vented cabinet door. The third problem is noise or vibration at night. Solve this by choosing ultra-quiet ratings, adding vibration isolators under feet, and keeping the fridge level to stop rattles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like bedside fridge installations and cool drawer retrofits, helping us find local professionals and share practical project experiences. We also host a discussion community where we exchange tips on measurements, quiet models, and installation tricks to make small home refrigeration work better.